Making pizza at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here's a simple recipe to make homemade pizza. Ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 cup of pizza sauce, 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Toppings of your choice, e.g. pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, etc. Instructions: preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, yeast, and salt. Gradually add in the warm water and olive oil and stir until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl and cover it with a towel. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Roll out the dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness. Transfer it to a greased pizza pan or baking sheet. Spread the pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch border around the edges. Add your desired toppings, starting with a layer of cheese and then adding the toppings on top. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pizza.